Oh, yeah, you two. George here. Hope you're all well. And I just said we'd start with the arse end to be different and for a change. So this is that crazy Welshman over there in Wrexham. John Hoskins. He's a repeat offender. Customer of mine. I think I've done 4 or 5 radios from now at this stage. And he sent me over this Mark 1, so we kind of ploughed through it, and we done everything he asked. I built him a Mark 2 last year sometime, and this is the twin of it. It's identical looking, with the exception that under the meter on this one it says Mark 1, whereas the other one says Mark 2. So this must have come out of this place. I was just looking them up on the internet here, and they have a place. So they seem to be still going. GB Communications. Must send them a link to this. And it says that they're still selling CB stuff. See a few oddball machines there, DX959s and all sorts. So yeah, couple of, yeah, okie dokie. Yeah, so that's that. Anyhow, we added the frequency counter socket down here, and that's got a little plate that's made in the back. You'll see when we go inside. And someone added this surface mount SO239 here at some point, so I just left it like that, because if I took that off and put back on a stock through hole with the nut and the spring washer under it, you'd be left with the 2 holes, so I didn't bother. And for those that may be interested, how do you tell a Mark 1 and a Mark 2 without taking the lids off? Okay, Mark 1, screw, hole, screw, hole. Mark 2, screw, hole, hole, screw. That's how you tell the difference without whipping the lids off. So if you're somewhere and somebody is offering you a radio, or you're at a rally, if they're ever allowed again, and you pick one up and you want to know, that's how you tell. So there you go. That's today's little tidbit of useless information. So with that, we will pull the lids off and go inside and show you what we've done. Right, so here we are inside. We've added a counter socket on the back, wiring all nice and neat down the side, VCO tap, and connected on here to our mode switch for upper and lower. Just had this EEPROM in it when it came here. The red and black wires are for the backlit switches. Solder side of the board, fairly standard for Mark 1. All these additions that they forgot about in the factory, and had to be done after the boards had been sorted out. So yeah, so I just have to put them back together now, and we'll see where we go from there. Turned out quite tidy inside, so quite pleased with it now, how it came out. So there we are. Great stuff. Behold. So there we have it. Mark 1, done the usual Irish custom radios meter, goes red on transmit, and we have the TXRX light, which is blue on receive, red on transmit, and I've toned these down a bit now so they don't fry your retinas anymore. Blue display and blue backlit switches, and you can see our switches there. 10 kc, which is down 10 kc on a Mark 1. Doesn't go up, goes down. Just bear that in mind if you have one. Now what's interesting with this, we have a 5-position band switch. We have low, mid, high, super high, and UK FM is on the final position. So I got that done on the decal, one of Brad's from CB Faceplates over in the UK. He does all my decals. And we done the blue paint on the lines. Oh, come back. we done the blue paint on all the little lines on the knobs and that. Just, you know, all these little details, they kind of make it what it is, you know. So yeah, the usual then, tuned it all up and did all that good stuff to it. So she's bang on and ready to go home and join its twin over in Wrexham there. I think he's sending me a Stalker 9 next. So there you have it, folks. I hope you're pleased with that, John. And everybody have a nice weekend. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.